Welcome to Offgrid Victory. So here is my Sprinter van, Mercedes Sprinter, Dodge Sprinter, Freightliner, all those Sprinter van classes. And so I upgraded the tires to these all-terrain tires. They're 245, 75, 16s. And you can see what tread I have on these tires. Great for wintertime and things like that. And sometimes in the mud. However, you're always going to run into situations like this, and that is this right here. You're going to get stuck in wintry conditions. This vehicle was left for a little while, and you can see it's sunk into the grass, and the grass right here is so muddy that, hey, look, it's creating a rut. And now, because all of that nice tread is filled with all of the mud from the ground, it's basically stuck. So what can we do here? Obviously, we can tow or hitch the vehicle out with straps and such. But if you don't have that, and let's say you're stuck in a national park or somewhere, here's your alternative. And that's what I want to speak to you about today. And so those are this right here. And what are they? Well, they are the tried and true recovery boards, or sometimes I guess traction boards are called. And what I'm going to do is attempt to put these traction boards down. I always carry this inside this vehicle for this situation. So I'm going to go ahead and put the traction boards underneath. I'm not sure whether I'll do it in the front of this tire or in the rear. But at any rate, probably makes sense to put it in the front because I've already kind of come this far, but we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and use them to get this vehicle out and show you the result of it. So I was able to go through the rear of it, put the traction boards up, and got out of that hole. So look at this. What I wanted to show you is, that's how much rut I was getting into, and of course I completely lost traction, but you can see how much tread I have on that tire, and you can see what the traction boards are doing. It's equally distributing the weight. Also, with these spikes that are on the traction board, it was able to dig in to the mud and get the car out. And so it's important to carry these things, especially on two-wheel drive heavy vehicles like a Sprinter van. And so have them, and then you'll get out of these messy situations without any help. But of course, if you have help from somebody with a tow chain or hook, that's even better. But when you're alone, this works pretty well. Alrighty, shalom.